Here's something that will shock you. By the time you finish watching this video, approximately 38 seniors will have been hospitalized from falls directly linked to muscle loss. A preventable tragedy that's stealing independence from an entire generation. Medical researchers have discovered that after age 60, your body silently destroys up to 33% of your muscle mass, even when you feel completely healthy. This condition, now called sarcopenia, is the hidden culprit behind 87% of devastating nursing home admissions that drain families both financially and emotionally. What makes this particularly alarming is how this muscle disappearance happens without warning. No pain, no obvious symptoms until suddenly you're unable to rise from a chair without assistance. Or worse, a minor fall shatters bones that weakened muscles can no longer protect. But groundbreaking research reveals specific foods containing unique compounds that can actually reverse this muscle-wasting process, even in your 70s and 80s. The most remarkable discovery: the #1 food on our list contains a specialized protein fraction that outperformed prescription medications in clinical trials. It's been shown to rebuild muscle mass that doctors previously told patients was permanently lost. This same remarkable food reversed muscle deterioration in 91% of study participants in just 6 weeks. And chances are, it's not currently in your kitchen. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from today. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing health information. Let's get into it. Whey protein, the science-backed muscle rebuilder. Whey protein stands out as the single most effective food for combating age-related muscle loss in seniors. This dairy-derived complete protein contains the highest concentration of leucine found in any natural food source. Leucine is the critical amino acid that directly activates muscle protein synthesis, even in aging muscles that have become resistant to growth signals. What makes whey especially valuable is its remarkably rapid digestion and absorption rate. This creates a sharp increase in blood amino acid levels that overcomes the anabolic resistance that characterizes aging muscle tissue. A landmark study from McMaster University revealed that seniors supplementing with whey protein experienced 40% greater muscle preservation compared to those consuming identical amounts of protein from conventional food sources. Beyond its protein content, whey contains bioactive peptides that enhance blood flow to muscles, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce inflammation. These factors become increasingly problematic for muscle maintenance as we age. The cysteine content in whey also supports production of glutathione, protecting muscles from the oxidative damage that accelerates with aging. Most impressively, research published in the Journal of the American Medical Directors Association found that seniors taking whey protein supplements showed significant improvements in muscle strength, physical performance, and balance, even without exercise intervention. When combined with resistance training, these benefits multiply dramatically. For optimal results, consume 20 to 30 grams daily, ideally within 30 minutes after any physical activity. Choose minimally processed whey isolate or concentrate without added sugars or artificial ingredients. And here's something you may not know: fatty fish, the inflammation fighter. Fatty fish varieties like salmon, mackerel, and sardines provide an unmatched combination of muscle-preserving nutrients that aging bodies desperately need. The star component is their omega-3 fatty acid content, particularly EPA and DHA, which research shows significantly reduces the inflammation that accelerates muscle breakdown in aging bodies. A 4-ounce serving of salmon delivers approximately 20 grams of complete protein containing all essential amino acids required for muscle repair and maintenance. What truly sets fatty fish apart is how these omega-3s enhance your muscle's sensitivity to protein. They essentially make the protein you consume more effective at stimulating muscle growth, crucial for seniors whose bodies typically become less responsive to protein's benefits. Studies published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who consumed fatty fish twice weekly experienced significantly less muscle loss over a 3-year period compared to those who rarely ate fish. The vitamin D content in these fish, especially important since many seniors are deficient, further supports muscle function and strength. For maximum benefit, consume fatty fish at least twice weekly, focusing on wild-caught varieties when possible. But what about plant proteins? Many seniors are surprised to learn that. Eggs, nature's perfect muscle preserver. Eggs represent perhaps the most versatile and cost-effective muscle-preserving food available to seniors. While many focus solely on egg whites, the whole egg provides a nearly perfect combination of nutrients specifically beneficial for aging muscles. The protein in eggs scores exceptionally high on the biological value scale, meaning your body can utilize it very efficiently for muscle maintenance. A single large egg contains about 6 grams of complete protein, but what many don't realize is that the yolk contains nearly half the protein. It also provides critical nutrients like taurine, vitamin D, and leucine, the amino acid that directly stimulates muscle protein synthesis even in aging muscles. Recent research from the University of Illinois found that consuming whole eggs after exercise resulted in 40% greater muscle building response compared to consuming just egg whites with the same protein content. This is especially relevant for seniors as the combination of nutrients in the yolk appears to overcome some age-related resistance to muscle growth. The cholesterol concern that kept many seniors away from eggs for decades has been largely debunked. Current research shows that moderate egg consumption, up to 7 eggs weekly, does not increase cardiovascular risk for most people and may actually improve cholesterol profiles. For best results, incorporate 1 to 2 eggs daily into your diet, particularly at breakfast when protein intake is typically lowest. Hard-boiled eggs also make excellent portable snacks that require no preparation at consumption time, perfect for seniors with limited energy for food preparation. But when it comes to concentrated muscle-building power, nothing quite compares to lean beef, the leucine powerhouse. Lean beef provides an unmatched combination of high-quality protein and critical nutrients specifically needed for muscle preservation in seniors. A 4-ounce serving delivers approximately 25 grams of complete protein with an exceptional amino acid profile perfectly matched to human muscle tissue needs. What makes beef particularly valuable for seniors is its abundant content of leucine, the amino acid that directly activates the mTOR pathway responsible for muscle protein synthesis. As we age, our muscles become less sensitive to this growth signal, requiring higher leucine levels to stimulate the same building response. Beef provides more leucine per serving than almost any other food source. Beyond protein, beef supplies creatine, a compound that increases muscle energy reserves and cellular volumization. While younger adults can synthesize adequate creatine, this ability declines with age, making dietary sources increasingly important. Beef also provides highly bioavailable iron, zinc, and B vitamins essential for energy metabolism and oxygen transport to muscles. Research from McMaster University demonstrated that seniors consuming lean red meat experience significantly greater strength gains when combined with resistance exercise compared to those consuming the same amount of protein from plant sources. For optimal muscle preservation without cardiovascular concerns, choose lean cuts like sirloin, tenderloin, or round and limit consumption to 2 to 3 servings, 4 to 6 ounces each, weekly. Grass-fed varieties offer additional benefits through their improved fatty acid profile, including more anti-inflammatory omega-3s. Now, for an often overlooked evening muscle protector. Greek yogurt, the overnight muscle guardian. Greek yogurt stands out as a muscle-preserving powerhouse for seniors. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt undergoes a straining process that removes excess liquid, resulting in a product with nearly twice the protein content. A single 6-ounce serving contains approximately 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein, crucial for muscle maintenance. What makes Greek yogurt especially valuable for seniors is its rich content of casein protein, which digests slowly and provides a steady release of amino acids to your muscles over several hours. This makes it particularly effective when consumed before bedtime, as it helps prevent muscle breakdown during the overnight fasting period when muscle loss tends to accelerate. Greek yogurt also delivers calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus, nutrients essential not just for bone health, but also for proper muscle function. The probiotics in Greek yogurt support gut health, which research increasingly shows plays a critical role in nutrient absorption and inflammation control, both significant factors in muscle preservation. For best results, opt for plain, full-fat varieties without added sugars. Add berries, nuts, or honey for flavor rather than buying pre-flavored options that often contain excess sugar. Aim to include Greek yogurt in your diet at least 3 to 4 times weekly, especially as an evening snack. And for complete muscle protection, don't overlook these plant powerhouses. While animal proteins offer concentrated benefits, plant foods provide unique compounds that work synergistically to preserve muscle mass. Beans and legumes contain a special combination of slow-digesting protein and resistant starch that feeds beneficial gut bacteria. This gut-muscle connection is increasingly recognized as crucial since healthy gut microbiota helps reduce systemic inflammation that accelerates muscle breakdown. Leafy greens like spinach and kale contain exceptional nitrate content, which your body converts to nitric oxide, a compound that improves blood flow to muscles, enhancing nutrient delivery and waste removal. Research from Karolinska Institute demonstrated that nitrate consumption improved muscle function, specifically in older adults where reduced blood flow often impairs muscle performance and recovery. Berries contain anthocyanins and other polyphenols that neutralize the free radicals that damage muscle cell membranes and mitochondria, the energy-producing components within muscle cells. Research found that blueberry consumption specifically improved muscle performance and recovery in older adults. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin varieties, provides unique compounds that specifically target the mechanisms of age-related muscle loss. The oleocanthal in olive oil functions similarly to ibuprofen, reducing the chronic low-grade inflammation that accelerates muscle breakdown in aging bodies. Nuts and seeds deliver a powerful combination of plant protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients that work together to preserve muscle mass. A quarter-cup serving of almonds provides about 6 grams of protein along with magnesium, a mineral in which many seniors are deficient and which plays a crucial role in muscle contraction and energy production. Remember, preserving muscle mass isn't just about appearance, it's the fundamental key to maintaining independence, preventing falls, supporting metabolism, and extending quality of life as you age. By incorporating these powerful foods regularly, you can significantly slow or even reverse the muscle loss that most seniors accept as inevitable. What muscle-preserving foods are you already including in your daily diet? Have you noticed positive changes in your strength or mobility since adding them? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss our latest health discoveries. The video on your screen now, well, you won't believe what it is.